Hey folks, Ashram this side from AceIPM. IPMAT Indore's response sheet is now out and you can calculate your score in just one click using our calculator, and here is how. All you need to do is go on IIM Indore's website. The link will also be down in the description. Click on admit card download. The applicant login page will appear over here. You need to enter your login ID and password to log in into the IIM Indore's portal. When you log in, you will see these three options. You need to go on candidate response and click on click here to generate it. Once you do that, a pop-up will open up. It will look something like this. In this pop-up, what you need to do is you need to copy the URL which is here on top. So this is something that you click copy, and once you have copied it, you go back to our website, which is result.aceipm.com. You paste it over here, you fill in other details like your mobile number and your category, and you click on calculate my score. Once you do that, all the details will pop up over here in terms of whatever you've done right, wrong, what are your marks, rank, and everything around that. We'll populate it with more data like ATS and cutoffs once we have enough number of response sheet submissions. So I request you to do that and also comment down what you have scored. All the very best. Thank you so much.